In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users in Zoho CRM Plus with ease. Whether you're onboarding new team members or managing current ones, understanding how to efficiently navigate the user setup process is essential for maintaining a streamlined workflow. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening the admin panel. To do this, head over to the top right corner of your Zoho CRM Plus interface and click on your profile icon. From there, you'll see an option labeled Admin Panel. Go ahead and click on that. Once inside, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll notice the Users tab. This is your central hub for managing all user accounts, giving you control over who has access to what within your organization. Now that we've located the Users tab, it's time to add a new user. Look for the Add User button, usually prominently displayed to ensure ease of access, and give it a click. This will open up a form where you can begin entering the new user's details. The first piece of information you'll need is the email address of the person you're inviting. Make sure you have the correct email because this is where the invitation will be sent. After you've entered the email, you'll need to decide which applications the new user should have access to. You'll see a list of apps like CRM, Desk, and Campaigns. Only the apps you're currently administering will show up here, so pick the ones relevant to the new user's role. Selecting the right applications is crucial. It ensures that each user has the tools they need to accomplish their tasks without unnecessary distractions. Once you've ticked off the appropriate apps, you may see additional fields that need to be filled out. These fields vary depending on the applications you've selected. They might ask for specific roles, department details, or other relevant information. It's important to fill these out accurately to ensure the new user is set up correctly within the system. Finally, after double-checking everything for accuracy, you can click the Add button. This action sends an invitation email to the new user, bringing them one step closer to joining your Zoho CRM Plus ecosystem. Until they accept this invitation, they will remain in what is known as a pending status. It's a good idea to inform the new user to check their email, including their spam or junk folder, just in case the invitation gets misplaced. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add users to Zoho CRM Plus. This process not only empowers your team with the right tools, but also helps maintain organized and efficient user management. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and guides on making the most out of your Zoho experience.